Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a number cupcake today. I went and got these square cupcake liners from Wilton. I thought I would try that out with my number cake. And I'm just using my chocolate cake recipe to make my cupcakes. And I had this baking in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, and this is what my cupcakes looks like. And then I can start putting it together. And I did not use the full 24, I am only using 16 of my cupcakes. And I am doing the number 11. And here I'm just using the grass tip. I am using two different color greens, one dark color and a lighter color. And I'm just filling in my cupcakes. And this is actually a birthday video. It is my son's birthday and he is turning 11 and he wanted a number cupcake, and so with his request, and I'm just piping on the dark green, and then once I'm done with that I can start with the lighter color green. Same grass tip that I am using, but this is a lighter shade of green that I am piping. Now that my cupcakes are all piped on, I can just go ahead and place the Minecraft toys on top. And these are just toys from my son, and so he picked out all the ones that he wanted on top of the cupcakes. And this is what my cupcake looks like, you guys. This is a cupcake number cake. Hopefully you guys like my video on how I did this birthday cake theme today. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.